This is a recording for 1 Inch Badge. Merry freaking Christmas to all of you.
I like to be the first to step on fresh snow and leave a mark. Laying down on the ground, spread my arms and make an angel. Building igloos, ice skating, snowball fights in the park. Hearing laughter in the air sure does make my ears a tingle. Come inside 'cause Dad's making a fire. Dinner's almost ready, don't be late. Mom's whipped up a batch of her famous warm cider. That's the things that make this time of year so great.
Kids of all ages, ladies and gents, I really ain't lying when I tell you that I'm proud to present the finest gift that money can buy. At the top of everyone's wish list this year's both yours and my favorite stocking filler. Such a thriller of a record wrapped in the best paper that your wallet could afford, with a neat little bow tied to perfection. Not just about the song, but the first overall impression you get when you first lay your eyes on this piece of history. There's no mystery that you won't be able to keep this a secret to yourself for more than a second or two's most likely to sell out pretty soon, probably before the verses even ended. So if you don't want your loved ones to end up empty-handed, just get a copy for every member of your family, so as to avoid the rest of the day going terribly.
Heading down the slope at 90 miles an hour on your new sled that you just got this morning. The smell of turkey drags me home. I can't wait to devour all the treats that make this feast so tasty. Gravy I'm a pouring, any leftovers we have will go in sandwiches and soup. Help yourself to more, let's see you fill your plate. Desserts are on the way, so make sure to leave some room for the things that make this time of year so great.
Back when I was a kid, we used to ask for the impossible, like the ability to fly, but these days it's more probable that all they're gonna want is a CD player and this song with a copy of the lyrics so they too can sing along. This will pan out pretty cheaply for the parents, who will be giving us their praises and thanking us for our talent. We'll be getting more than enough pennies to keep us going for at least another year, thus generating revenue from just 1 out of 365 days and inspiring future generations to do the same. We're kinda like old Santa Claus in that respect, 'cause we work hard to keep you happy and never expect anything in return or you to give back. We're just happy to provide you with a soundtrack, our personal seasonal greeting, whatever your fave. So now, won't you do us a favor and have yourselves a happy holiday?
Now we're all stuffed and ready for bed, though Grandpa's been asleep for over an hour. We'll watch as the snow falls as a blanket on the garden, so peaceful and thankful that this moment is ours. All the gifts are glowing in the light of a fire, sweaters and toys, half-open games, and this new Christmas classic that you've somehow acquired are the things that make this time of year so great.